Collective nouns are words used to name a group of people, animals, or things that act as a single unit. They help us talk about many individuals together using just one word. Examples of collective nouns include a team of players, a family of people, a flock of birds, and a herd of animals. Each word describes a group of individuals acting as one. Some common collective nouns for groups of people are team, family, audience, and committee. A team is a group working together. A family is a group related by blood or marriage. An audience is a group watching or listening. A committee is a group appointed to do a specific task. Common collective nouns for animals include flock, herd, pride, and pack. A flock is a group of birds. A herd refers to large animals like cows or elephants. A pride is a group of lions. A pack usually describes wolves or dogs living together. Using collective nouns helps us describe groups in a clear and simple way. Instead of naming each individual separately, we use one collective noun to describe the entire group, making communication easier. Collective nouns are also used for groups of things. For example, a collection is a group of items gathered together. A library is a collection of books. A fleet is a group of ships or vehicles. An arsenal is a collection of weapons or tools. To learn collective nouns well, associate them with groups you see every day. Practice using flashcards or quizzes to remember them easily. Regular practice helps build your confidence. Collective nouns name groups of people, animals, or things. Using them correctly makes your English clearer and more natural. Always try to use collective nouns to describe groups when you speak or write.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.